the road again, chilling guys. I'm coming into the Interpretive Center. Which is an educational hub. There's some rhino. It's an educational hub for the peeps who want to come and check out some history. So let me walk you through. It's the Ulwazi Interpretive Center. Gosh, look how nice this is. So here it is here. That's the elder ranger in the past on a bicycle. Here's Clash of the Cultures, 1400 to 1905. The park takes shape, drama, danger, learning to contain elephants. Before written history. This is all the artifacts, Bushman paintings. There's a piece of a cannon. What is this? Sounds of the Wild. Do I go behind here or what? Let's see what this does. No ways. So the lights come on of these, but it's not working. All of it's not working. Then we go into, looks like the famous dung beetle. There they are there. Legends. This little guy over here is that dude. Hello, my boy. How you doing? I'm special. Oh, look at that. My word. Hello. This is Domkrach the tortoise carjack. Famous tortoise used to wedge his shell underneath cars and then lift them up. Perhaps he resented these intruders in his territory. Male tortoises will lift up the shell of a rival, flip him on his back to lie helplessly waving his legs. Domkrach means carjack. In the Afrikaans language, Domkrach lived to the impressive age of 45 years and weighed at least 60 kilograms. He died when he fell into an aardvark antbeer hole and could not get out. The Domkrach waterhole is named after the spirited reptile. Here he's interpreting the woody the woody Cape shell middens, the reptiles that are here, the rock monitor lizard, coral snake, Cape cobra. Elephants' closest living relatives are the dassie and the dugong. That's a dugong, and that's a dassie. And here's the almost the evolutionary process of the elephants. Here's all the bird shells. Isn't that pretty, Kif? Eh? Man, you've got to love this stuff. Such great care taken. That's the Darlington fish fossil. Addo is more than an elephant park. Here's this, what's this little guy here? This is the local dinosaur. His name is Nkwebasaurus, with a Q being a palatal click.
Looks like a velociraptor.
This lifestyle reconstruction of Nkwebasaurus, nicknamed Kirky, was found on the farm west of Kirkwood by Dr. Callum Ross and Dr. Billy de Klerk in 1996. It is one of the most complete preserved Cretaceous dinosaurs described from southern Africa. These reptiles lived 135 million years ago.
His nickname is Footloose.
His nickname is not there.
Footloose. Footloose.
Guys, just introducing Taz. Hello, Taz. There we go. How's it, Ling?
Chilling, learning.
There's the Eubalena australis southern right whale. Why that's here, I don't know, but
To give you a perspective of
let's go and look. Is that the size?
of a whale compared to elephants and animals.
And then here is Addo's turbulent history told by the rocks. So you gotta make it out here, guys. This is really cool, and I'm enjoying myself. That's a puff at a skin and a whole lot of tortoises and some, looks like dung, elephant dung. Okay. Have a beautiful day. We're going to go in search of elephants right now. Don't follow, don't just like, don't just share. Come roll with us and keep